Good morning, I'm Kim Stevenson, Aftermarket Business Development Manager for L-3 Avionics Systems, and I'm excited to be here with you today to introduce our next generation solid-state standby instrument, the GH3900. This new instrument meets Level A design assurances and was developed to meet the needs of Part 25 aircraft and Part 29 rotorcraft. The GH3900 offers increased interface and installation options over its predecessor, the GH3100. The initial version of the GH3900 is provided to Collins for fusion cockpits and received TSO authorization in February of this year. The new instrument provides attitude, airspeed, and altitude with options to add heading and navigation interface in a 3 ATI display. The I/O is highly configurable, which enables an installer to match the look and feel to the primary EFIS. Flexible installation options provide for an internal air data computer or an interface to remote ARINC 429 data source. The GH3900 is a hardware superset with a single software load that is option selectable. This permits the installer to customize the instrument for the aircraft configuration and specifications. Hardware configurations can range from a solid-state attitude sensor package with air data transducers and accelerometers to a display head with no sensors at all. Enhanced I/O in the GH3900 interfaces include 7 configurable ARINC 429 inputs, 3 ARINC 429 outputs, RS-422 and RS-232 interfaces, 6 discrete inputs, and 2 discrete outputs. All configuration options are programmable by the installer in the field. The GH3900 is configured in the field using our intuitive aircraft configuration module tool. This tool provides a real-time picture of your selected configuration and walks the installer through the installation settings and the external interface options. The 3 ATI case is 1.5 inches shorter than its GH3100 predecessor, which provides greater fit into a greater variety of aircraft, and the new unit weighs less than 3 pounds. We expect to submit for TSO authorization within the next 2 weeks. By capitalizing on next-generation technologies, the new GH3900 offers more features and flexibility than any other standby available today. Some of the new features are field-loadable software, LED lighting, and yes, a lower cost. Please come by our booth to get a first-hand look at the new GH3900 and join us Friday for an installation workshop in the Baltimore 2 room. Thank you.
Aero-TV's live coverage of the 55th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
Avidyne is the brand of choice for pilots who want innovative, easy-to-use avionics. And the new IFD 540 GPS Navcom sets a new standard for simplicity in communication and LPV navigation. As a slide-in replacement for existing 530 series navigators, and with a highly intuitive touchscreen control, the IFD 540 makes it much easier to access the information you want when you want it, reducing head-down time and making flying more enjoyable. Finally, you have a choice, and the choice is easy: Avidyne.